So where will the markets head in 2026?
That's very interesting. The markets at this point in time are pretty static. Not much movement happening in the markets. The minutes of the meeting of the Federal Reserve that came out yesterday could have been a catalyst for the Santa Claus rally, but that never happened. I think the markets are pretty flat today. There's going to be reduced trading hours today, and then tomorrow is going to be New Year holiday. So I don't think we're going to see any movement in the markets today. Maybe some movement to begin with when the markets open, but not much. I hope and pray that we get the Santa Claus rally today. The markets are triggered into that, but so far it doesn't seem that way. And as far as 2026 is concerned, I think January is going to be a tough month for the markets. There are three things that could go wrong in January. There's a risk of another government shutdown. There's the new nomination of the new Fed chairman, and there's also a possibility that the Supreme Court may strike down the tariffs imposed by the Trump government. So these three things could cause some volatility in the market. So if the markets are able to manage January and are able to pull through January, then I think the rest of 2026 is going to see a strong rally. There is going to be further rate cuts expected in March. Going to be the effect of the big beautiful bill that Donald Trump has introduced, which is going to provide a lot of tax relief to a lot of big corporations. And the new Fed chair is also going to be somebody who is in all probability going to be in favor of further rate cuts. So the markets are looking at a very favorable economic situation, economic climate in 2026, and I expect the markets to rally further. I think this bull run will continue.